Hello again, everyone. Today we are going to be working on microscope parts and functions. And so we're going to start off in Schoology by using the document that I've got attached here, which is just going to be a diagram of a microscope that has parts that we're going to be labeling, and then we're going to be filling in different functions of those microscope parts. So if you haven't already, start by sending that over to Notability, and that's where we're going to be writing on it. It's going to be easiest for you probably if you split screen this video and the note sheet. I'm going to be having split screen with the slideshow that I'm going to be using to show you these parts. So we're going to start off right at the beginning with letter A. So we're looking at the same diagram of the microscope, so that should make it nice and easy for us. So we're starting off with letter A. Letter A is the eyepiece. And so I'm going to zoom in here and fill that in. The eyepiece is the part of the microscope that you look through. So down here for letter A, we're going to fill in eyepiece. And the function that I've got for you. And it holds what's called the ocular lens. There are two lenses in this microscope, and one of them is found in the eyepiece. And it magnifies things 10 times. So that's what we're going to be doing, is we're just going to be filling in the parts and their functions. And we're going to do the first half of them today. The other half we'll do tomorrow. Letter B is called the arm. And so our function for an arm is, that's going to be one of the places you're going to hold on to the microscope when you're carrying it. Next, we're going to go to letter C, and that is called the scanning power objective lens. So that's a really long name. You're really going to have to zoom in or use a small text box. The function of your scanning power lens is just simply going to be that it's the lowest power objective lens. It has a 4 times magnification, and you always use this first. All right, on to letter D. That is called the fine adjustment knob. The function of the fine adjustment knob is going to be to bring the microscope into clear focus. and you use this focusing knob second. But that will be more important when we get to actually practice using these microscopes. Next, we are at the coarse adjustment knob. So that's going to be letter E. And the function of that, that is also used for focusing the microscope, but that's the one that you're going to use first. Next would be letter F. Letter F is called the base. So we'll get that labeled on our diagram here. And the function is that this is the place where your second hand would go as you're carrying the microscope. All right, we're going to do one more, and then we're going to be done with the first half of our microscope. Next would be letter G, and letter G is called the revolving nose piece. And I apologize that the handout, we're kind of going out of order now for a couple of these, but follow along on the diagram, please. And the function of the revolving nose piece is to hold the objective lenses. All right, so we are done with the first half of our microscope parts notes. You do not need to submit this today. I'll have another video for you tomorrow to fill in the rest of these. If you've got any other missing work, as always, you can work on that today with your extra time if you have some. But this is where we're going to stop for today. Have a great day.